Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix YouTube not working on Google Chrome. So if the page is blank, keeps buffering, or videos just won't play, follow along step by step to fix it. Alright, let's dive in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once it's open, go to the top right corner and click on the 3 vertical dots. From the drop-down menu, scroll down and select Settings. Next, look at the left-hand side and click Privacy and Security. Then select Third-Party Cookies. Then click on See All Site Data and Permissions. At the top, you'll see a search bar. Type YouTube there. When YouTube shows up in the results, click the trash icon next to it and confirm Delete. This clears any corrupted cache or site data that can stop YouTube from loading. Now, let's check your extensions. Click Extensions on the left side. Disable any active extensions, especially VPNs, proxies, or ad blockers. These can block video resources and prevent pages from opening. After that, completely close Chrome and reopen it. Go back to YouTube and try playing a video again. If it still doesn't work, try opening YouTube in a different browser. This starts a fresh session and usually fixes loading issues caused by Chrome conflicts.